Meaning of dreadful.
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 Dreadful. Dreadful is an adjective which describes something that is extremely bad, unpleasant, or causing great fear. It can be a way to express strong disapproval or disappointment towards something. For example, a dreadful experience could refer to a traumatic event or a horrible ordeal. A dreadful movie would be one that is poorly made, uninteresting, or simply not enjoyable to watch. Overall, when we use the word dreadful, we are emphasizing the negative impact of something and conveying a strong sense of disgust or discomfort.